There are many opportunities throughout a skills lesson to assess student mastery towards the lesson's objectives and those important foundational skills. For example, in this model lesson where students are reviewing that the O sound can be spelled O consonant E and the U sound can be spelled U consonant E, there are three formative assessments that have been called out within the curriculum. The first is activity page 2.2, where students are asked to read two-syllable words. Teachers can use this activity page to assess students' ability to decode two-syllable words that contain the sound spelling correspondences that are the focus of the lesson. If students struggle with this activity page, then that would be a good focus for small group instruction. There is also an opportunity to listen to students as they read in partnerships the story The Milk. There's an anecdotal reading record for teachers to complete as they listen into partnerships reading. If teachers notice that students struggle with reading from The Milk, they can make notes of the sound spelling correspondences that students are struggling with, and those can be a focus for small group instruction. Finally, students are asked to discuss different comprehension questions from the story The Milk. Once again, the teacher can take anecdotal notes to see how students are responding to these questions and get insight into their ability to comprehend their reading. If this seems to be an area that students are struggling, again, this can be a focus for small group instruction. In addition to the formal formative assessments that are called out within the curriculum, there are also times within the curriculum that you as the teacher could take some anecdotal notes. For example, in the warm-up for this lesson, students are reviewing contractions. You can take notes on how students are doing with their ability to create contractions and understand what they mean. Once again, if you notice students are struggling, this could be a focus for small group instruction. Pop-out chaining is also another great way to take some informal notes to see how students are responding during whole group instruction. Tricky words are also reviewed during this lesson. This is a whole group component of the lesson, but once again, you could take some anecdotal notes on how you see students are responding, and if you notice students are struggling, that could be a focus for small group instruction.